Phil. Phil. Get in.
Nice.
Jim, you're setting them off again. It's another one that just went off.
Didn't say a word. Phil. Crap. Phil.
Close. What you want? Over the hill?
Yep. Phil.
Get it?
No, I don't think so. I think it hit the fence.
Okay. Go that one.
Got that one.
You destroyed it.
What you want again over the hill?
Yep. Phil.
Got it.
Phil.
Got it.
3 out of 4. Yes.
Awesome. Try across the way now.
Eh?
Try across the way.
Aye.
Phil. Phil.
Got it.
Mm-hmm. Phil.
Big man's contented.
Hold on a second there.
Alright. Is that a banana? We're shooting it right there. Banana. Banana shot. Let's see if Jordan can hit the banana shot.
Ready? See when you're ready, John.
This is how you get the focus on this.
Ready?
Hold on.
You ready?
Yep.
Go for it. No, wait. Wait. Sorry. It's too great. With that kind of magnification, it's too grainy. It's still very grainy, man.
Jim, my fingers are freezing up, hurry up.
Oh, shut it.
It's that rubbish phone he's got. What's slow on it?
Go for it.
Yep. I'll get this focus on.
Oh, yeah.
Banana no more.